Eliza Woodman, San Diego's new cocktail queen, is a force to be reckoned with. Her competitive spirit, a trait she claims to have been born with, has propelled her to win 3 prestigious cocktail competitions this summer, both locally and internationally. From the West Coast Championship in the Bushmills Highball competition, to the bartender battle at Tiki Oasis, and finally, the world's best Mai Tai competition in Las Vegas. Woodman's talent and creativity have been recognized on a global scale. But here's where it gets interesting. Woodman's success isn't just about crafting the perfect cocktail. She understands that presentation is key, and the ability to tell a compelling story is just as important to the judges. The best drink doesn't always win, she says. It's about how you present yourself and weave a narrative that captivates the judges. We're entertainers, creating unique experiences for our guests and the judges alike. Her winning Mai Tai, inspired by Bob Marley's album, Three Little Birds, showcases her artistic flair. It features 3 types of Myers rum, a house-made salted peanut jerked spice orgeat syrup, and her signature Scotch bonnet tiki bitters. I love adding a savory note to my cocktails, Woodman explains. I want them to evolve as you drink, and since I work in a restaurant, I aim for my drinks to complement the food. And this is the part most people miss. Woodman's success extends beyond the competitions. Her award-winning cocktail, Three Little Birds, is now a staple on the brunch menu at Communion, the rooftop restaurant bar where she works as the lead bartender. Woodman's journey to San Diego is an inspiring one. Growing up in Rhode Island, she played competitive lacrosse, and after a decade in Boston, she moved to San Diego 4 years ago, drawn by the city's active lifestyle. Her background in the restaurant industry and a degree in graphic design have shaped her unique approach to bartending. Craft cocktails reignited my passion for the industry, she says. It's an outlet for my creativity, and I strive to be as innovative as possible. So, what's next for Eliza Woodman? She plans to use her $15,000 prize money to pay off her car, travel, and spend time with family. And in the long term, she aims to become a beverage director, consultant, or even open her own bar. San Diego's cocktail scene has a new star, and her story is a testament to the power of creativity and hard work. Try her award-winning cocktail at Communion and experience the magic for yourself. What do you think? Is Woodman's success a testament to the power of storytelling in cocktail competitions? Or is it solely about the drink? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.